Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing this brain rot fish bear. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Let's start off on the top right and let's draw a circle for the eyeball. And then add another smaller circle inside. And color this one in black. Now top underneath and draw the mouth. Let's start with a curve over to the right side. And then let's curve it back in underneath. Now at the top, let's hop up and let's draw a curve down and back up. Now at the bottom, let's draw a curve over and back in for the bottom lip. Next, inside the mouth, let's add some teeth. Let's draw a point up, another one from the top, two up from the bottom, and one more larger one from the top. Next, let's hop on top of the mouth and we're going to draw a large curve over for the top of the head. Then let's hop underneath and let's draw a curve down and in. And continue it over by bringing it up. Now inside this section here, let's draw some curved lines down for the gills. Now to finish off the head, let's start under the mouth and let's draw a curve down and curve it over and up. And let's add another curve down and over underneath. And that's it for the head. Now top underneath and let's draw the body. Let's start underneath on the left and we're going to draw the arm by drawing a large curve up to the head and down. Now underneath, let's continue it down. And then from the right side, let's curve it down and bring it back up. Now at the end, let's draw some curved V shapes for the claws. Now top back over to the right side under the neck and let's draw a curve down and back up. And let's do the same thing with a larger curve over to the left and up to the arm. And then let's add two ovals inside. Now underneath for the belly, let's start on the right and let's draw a large curve down and curve it back up to the hand. Then inside, let's add the belly button by curving it down and looping it up. And that's it for the belly. Now let's add the other arm on the right. Let's start next to the neck and let's draw a curve down. Now top down near the belly button and let's draw another curve out and in for the hand. And then two claws underneath. And that's it for the upper body. Now let's move down and draw the legs. Let's start on the left and let's draw a curve out and bring it back in. Then let's leave a gap and let's draw a curve underneath the body here. Now underneath on the left, let's add the first leg. Let's start with a small angle out and then bring it back in and down. Now top back to the center and let's draw a line down and curve it over. and then a curve down underneath. Now for the foot, let's angle it out and curve it back in underneath. Now let's add another curve next to it, and then one more to finish off the foot. And let's add some V-shaped points for the toenails. And that's it for the first leg. Now let's draw the other one on the right side. In the center, let's draw a curve down, and then angle it back over underneath. Now top over under the belly, and let's draw a large curve down and an angle underneath, stopping here. Now let's add the foot by bringing it out and curving it back in underneath. Now let's add another curve for the next toe, and then one more, bringing it all the way over. And add 3 V-shaped points underneath. And that's it for the main part of the body. Now let's move back up and let's finish drawing the fish. Let's start from the top of the head and let's bring it down and curve it out. Now at the end, let's draw a curve down and a wavy line back into the body like this. Now at the end, let's add the tail. Let's draw a curve up and a curve down underneath. And then let's curve them back both in, meeting in the center. And then inside the tail, let's add some lines, starting from the inside and going out. Now next to the tail at the bottom here, let's add another fin by drawing a small angle and then curve it down and back up. And again, let's add some angled lines inside, starting at the top. Now top to the top, and let's add one more larger fin here. Let's draw a curve up and over. Let's curve it down and bring it back up and in. And add some angled lines inside. And that's it for the fins. Lastly, let's add a scale pattern on the body. Let's add some small bumps all the way across in a random pattern. And that's it for this brainrot animal. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!